Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert your Facebook profile into a page. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account. If you aren't logged in, either log into your account or create a new one by clicking the Create New Account button. Once you are on the main page of Facebook, look for the profile icon and tap on it. Now we're on your profile page. Look for the More button, represented by 3 dots, beside the Edit Profile button, and tap on it. On the next page, you'll see various options. Look for Turn on Professional Mode and tap on it. On the following screen, choose the option Turn On. Next, choose your default audience and tap on the Next button. On the next page, tap on the Confirm button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully converted your profile to a page. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.